part 2 of video 2, whatever. Dis nou in die Trado Pas. That's now in the Trado Pas. Oh, that's into there. I must go. Here was a fire, here was a fire. It's completely bare. Heeltemal kaal gebrand. On the left hand side, I mean, nie aan die regterkant nie, on not on the right hand side, on the left hand side, linkerkant, het gebrand gewees. Was wind, ja. I came from that direction, ek het van daar af gekom. And now I'm here at the peak. So the highest point is 351 meters. 351 meter. hoog hierso. En nou gaan ek weer af. I'm going down again. Fell over. There, the peak is up there, the 351 meters point is there, and then it goes down again to Barryden direction. So this is now quite high down here. Phew. Descent right down to the river there. There is the water. Don't want to fall down here. It's only hier afval. Goed, dan kan ek weer voortry. The bridge was built. 1966, yeah, 1966. That bridge was made, built, en dit werd gebouwd in 1966. Daar afgekom above there, van boven daar. It's quieter inside than the diesel Granada, that's for sure. It's stiller binnekant deze auto as die diesel Granada. Met dieselfde motor, type motor. Ook XD motor, wat die diesel Granada gebruik het. The diesel Granada also used these types of engines, the XD range, but this guy's 505s are quieter inside. Turn right to Swellendam, Soap Seabraak. There are tow bars on the right hand side. Then where we came from, dis waar ons vandaan afkom. Now we in Seabraak, in the village, in 'n klein dorpie. Kerk on the linkerkant, church on the left hand side. Okay, we're finished with this. Now we're going out of town. Gaan uit die dorpie. Flowers here. I make oil out of these flowers and margarine. Now I forgot the name. Goeie genade. Ek het die naam vergeet van dit. Ons het ook van dit canola blooms. Ja, canola oil en canola margarine. there too. Right, let's go on with the road. Okay, now I must turn to the right hand side again. This is the highway, National Road, snelweg to Cape Town, they say. Okay, now I'm going to stop videoing here. Go over the road. Now the Langeberg is on the right hand side there. That's on Langeberg. Stopping. This is Swellendam. Maybe they call it Swellendam, and that is it. Right. In front there. Now I'm turning to the left because I turned in here. Yeah, I turned left and made a U-turn, and I'm going to have to turn left again. Because I must go from there straight past the Cape Town. Okay. Now Swellendam is there. There's the mountain of Swellendam. And this is a mighty river, Brede River. And this river came from that direction. Anyway, this water was full, there's a river, and I think they closed this road. I don't know if the water came right over the bridge, but as far as you can see there, some debris. This river begins in Ceres, up there in the Ceres Valley, in the valley of Ceres. There's where this river starts, and then it flows, and it's still a long way to get to the sea at Witsands. And it's now Witsands to Vloei. Oh, the cars are making a noise. En na Witsands met hy vloei is nog 'n hele eind na die see. En dit begin by Ceres. Ja, daai rigting there, that direction starts at Ceres. Okay, let's go on with this road. Now all the cars are gone, and I'm now spoken with all the noise going on. There's another car coming. Yes. Canola again, outside of Swellendam. Wind turbines. They're standing, none of them are running, turning. Wind is the wind, too little wind. The wind is blowing now. but they're standing still. Die wind baie sterk is, ja. Maar hulle staan helemaal stil. Okay, let's go on with the road. Ons gaan aan met die weg. There's a fish on the end somewhere down there, by that mountain. There's a fish on the end, is iewers by daardie berg daar. Stop there alongside the road. It's bietjie winderig, it's windy outside. Windy or windy, whatever you want to call it. And the mountains is now on my right, left hand side because I made a U-turn. Yeah, I'm pointing the direction I come from. I came down there and I turned there. So I must turn again and go out of there to the left. So I'm now besig om 'n toebroodjie te eet. I'm busy eating sandwiches. Okay, there on this sandwich there's peanut butter and apricot jam. Appelkoos, tuisgemaakte appelkoos konfyt met grondbootjie butter. Okay, very nice. And then I'm going to drink something from there, not alcohol, something else. Chocolate and hot water. That's what I'm going to drink out of there. Okay, so, and I should stop this video here. Started just now again. All these fields around here belongs to maybe that guy there. Farmhouse. There you can see the farmhouse. There. Okay, so they're out. Bye-bye, tot de volgende video. Bye-bye from this video, part 2, part 3, part 2 deel video 2 of wat ook al. Ek stop hier nou en dan begin ek met video 3 part 3. Okay. Thank you for viewing. Dankie dat julle gekyk het. Dis nou nie oor engine motors goeders nie, want dit gaan later van dit karre word. It's going to become cars later on. Maybe tomorrow, hopefully. Miskien môre. Bastille Festival, Bastille Feest, dan kyk ons weer. Tot ziens, bye bye. Tot de volgende keer. Till the next time.